Hello, Amino. Hello, Mana. Today I'm going to tell you about the chats, how they work. Last time I didn't really get to the chats in one of my videos. I just really just went to overview and just some things that really was like you could really just this is just a look of the Amino. So here in the chats, you can navigate anywhere you would like to go to open chats you have already have on a phone, or if you had on your mobile phone, or hey your BlueStacks if you're using an emulator, or whatever you are using Amino on. So for example, here's the chat I'm having with Lady Omana, which is just another account. Person's profile here. I can turn off the notifications just like on the phone. Leave conversations. I can follow. I can see their level. I can see the profile picture. I can even go to their profile. So let's just go there. Um, Here we have this. We have their profile. You can follow them. You can also chat from here. This just goes to a profile of their account, and it's the same thing as the mobile version of Amino. It just works pretty much the same thing. So one thing that I realized that you can do with the chats and stuff like that is, well, you got your emojis. Well, right now, the let's see, the Amino store emojis aren't cross-platform yet. As you can see, there is an open spot, and these are relatively looking like basic mobile emojis that you get on your phone before a couple updates, whatever it may be, whatever mobile you're using. So you can't buy them for the website, and maybe when the website becomes cross-platform, we'll find out. But still in this beta version, so there's much more to really wait for and stuff. So you can still do a couple of things. You can still enter uh, your folders and add images. But if your image is, let's see if I can find a big image. There's two things that can't occur, but let's see what we can do here. Can we do this? All right. So that's a perfect image. We can send that through. If we try to delete it through mobile, it won't do it. It won't. It won't. Like if I can delete it right now off my phone, off the mobile version. But the problem is that it will not delete from the picture here. This picture will still be there, and you can also just copy it, and you can just repaste it because it's now in your copy and paste. Say you have, let's see, you can also just navigate with this. Um, let's see. Let's go to an image let's borrow this one. We can copy here, copy, and you can paste with the Control V. You can still send images through that way. GIFs, like I talked in my previous video, you gotta save it to your You gotta save it to your PC first, your folder, just for it to actually work. It does not work if you try to. Let's say, let's go put this one here. This will take a while. Let's see. All right, now I can open this up, and I can copy it, and we'll do the same thing. It'll probably get the image, but it will not get the. Yep. See, it's faster because it wasn't a GIF and there's not much to process, so it's just one frame of animation. So, like I said, you have to save the GIFs to your PC, then transfer that image straight to your Amino through your PC. You can't copy and paste it. Exactly, we have the images here, but I'm gonna see if I can find an image that doesn't work. PNG. If it's over 6 MB, then it will not send through. I'm trying to find. I don't have an image that is that big. JPEGs. All right, you know what? I would have to go into my. Let's see. Let's go to. No, this is a good size too. I'm trying to find a TIFF file. It'll tell you a special message when you try to send an image that doesn't work. All right, let's just drag this one off screen. it says right here. It has to be a. Let's just read it again, just in case you missed it. Oh, also you can't send more than one file. So that was four. That was four files. I didn't mean to do that, but here we go. See, it's too strong. Um, and that's just a TIFF. That is a. Let's see how many megabytes that is. I'm just checking out. That's 43.5 megabytes. So that's a huge file. So that's why I can't take it. What else I can't do? Can't do multiple. Can't do TIFFs, and I know it's, and I think it can only do JPEGs and stuff. Also, let me find an image that is. You know what? Let's see. Let's do a folder. No, okay, nothing. So unless it did send. Let's see. I didn't really prepare this kind of thing. Let's see. I'm just trying to find a image that's huge, that's big, and doesn't work out. So we have GIFs, PNG. Um, hmm. Do we have anything that is big and does not work? So I'm gonna drag this Word document, and here goes. It says sorry, PNGs, JPEGs, and GIFs only. So keep in mind that you can only send certain files over, as any website or anything like that will allow you to. Image boards. So I think we got one more thing to show off. So here we have the chats. So right now, function for screening room or voice chats. I have asked him, if they can do something like that, because recently, every time you're on amino, I've heard people complain how the amino is burning up their phones. Their phone is heating up because and lagging due to the changes of amino. So amino could really change up some stuff. Um, so having just like what the Discord is, where you can have a live chat. I don't know if what really constitute having the chat, or what things really cause it to be used like that. Maybe it's a person-to-person kind of function where you can talk to people, or do screening rooms, or maybe they don't have enough servers. But when they have a function that allows you to have the chat system relative to, say, just like the phone, it would be nice to have that kind of thing. And still here, there's for me, it's like a 14-second delay. I wish I could do a side by side with my phone, but it's a 14-second delay where I can type anything in here, and I don't really want to do that because everyone's waiting for social reading, and I don't want to actually bother them right now until social reading is on. So you can't edit it. You cannot edit from the phone. I mean, you can edit from the website. You can copy a link, and you can send it to somebody, but it's probably come into let's check, a long format like that. Oh, and it takes you over to here, so you can just join chat. Let's see what this does. I'll never try that, but you can actually see who's there, and you can share on any social media website and everything like that. What else do we have out here? We have we can leave the conversation. As a mod or a leader, you can't kick anyone out. It doesn't give you the power to do anything like that. So anyone that's in this chat has to be done by phone. This is just you could say this is just a way so you can easily, if you're at home, or maybe at a library, or somewhere where you have computer access, you can just easily type and say hello, what's going on, or say making a YouTube video about amino website. And know what you can do. You can also use the bold. You can use the bold, the center, the italics, the underline, and strikeout. Or usually I just go by Scooby, Subic, Scubic. Um, and then just do that, and don't mind the testing. So there you go. I just put that out, and that's going to trigger a lot of people. It has a 14-second delay. I'm pretty sure I'm not. I haven't. It hasn't been tested on me, but I'm pretty sure that people will know that this is going on. It gives the same amount of notification that the phone would have done. Um, that's what I'm believing. What it does. So maybe someone will say hello in the next few minutes. I don't know. This chat is active, and well, if anything happens, it will come in like 14 seconds. So I think that's it for the website for now. There's not much to say until they really roll out some more information, roll out some more upgrades, and everything else that comes with Amino. So these are just the kind of things I want to show you guys with the beta version of the website, which I've been meaning to do for a long time. And hopefully you enjoy it and have a great day.